We're ready for lesson 20. Have your pencils ready? Very good. Okay, we're going to do the capital letters J and K today, and then we will write 6 words. So our first letter is going to be J. So I want us to write a lowercase j and then write a capital printed J. Now take your pencil, or wait, don't take your pencil yet. Watch me. We're going to come off of that, right about the baseline, and we're going to loop up to make a nice rounded loop. We're going to pull right back down, and then we're going to put a tail, just like we do on the cursive J. Remember, the J comes down and it gets a tail like that. Let me just put it right there. Let's put it there in orange, or you know what? I'm going to put it in green. So the cursive goes like that. Okay? So we start, we go all the way up nice and rounded, come back down and put the tail on. And that can go on to another letter if we're writing, so like if we were writing jam, like jelly jam or jelly, and it was at the beginning of a sentence, we would go up and then go right into the AM. Okay, let's do it on top of this one. Or do yours. Do yours if you haven't. Okay, start on top of this one and our capital, and there's the cursive. Okay, make one, make another one. Pick up your blue pencil or your circling pencil and circle the one you think is your best. Now get your colored pencil. I'm getting my orange, and I'm going to make a lowercase, skip a line. You know what? Let's skip 2 lines since we have all those tails when we practice this one. So let's skip 2 lines, and let's put a lowercase k. Remember that pinched part all stays below the midpoint, and then make a capital one, which is going to pinch right at the midpoint and then come back out. So with the K, we start with a little bit, watch while I do, we start with a little bit of a curve going into it. So just a little bit, we pull it down, pick up our pencil, we start tall, and we're going to make it just like this, but we're going to pinch in right there at the midline, midpoint. So we come in and then we curve off of it, curve back, and of course the K, you can go into your next letter. If you're writing king, you would go right into your I. So let's do it on the, go ahead and do yours. And then do it on the capital letter. And it just kind of curves a little bit there. It's not real straight. Remember, cursive is means a faster way. It's the same root as current. Make another one. There. And then circle what you think is your best one. Pick up your pencil, and we're going to write the word fill, F-I-L-L. So skip a line and write F-I-L-L. Write it a second time. Now, take your pencil and talk with me. We're going to upswing to the starting point, make our F, make the tail, pinch it back. Upswing, make an I, upswing and hook back to make your L. Upswing, hook back to make your L, and upswing, dot your I. Okay, make the next one, you do the talking. Okay, don't cross that F. Make another one all by yourself without any help. There. Circle the one you think is your best. of the things that your goal is when you're writing cursive, and I want you just to watch me write the word fill, and I want you to watch the pace of it. I'm writing, and I'm trying to keep my pencil constantly moving, not stopping, just looping right into it. That's our goal with writing cursive. So we want to keep our letters uniform. We want to keep our parallel lines and that kind of a line of symmetry that's, it can be slanted or straight up and down. And then you want to practice very smoothly, keeping your pace a goodly pace. And that does take practice and time. It's like any skill. Next word, we're going to skip, let's skip 2 lines and write the word truck. T-R-U-C-K, and write it a second time. Okay, let's pick up our pencil. We're going to talk with me. Upswing, make the T. Short upswing, shortcut the R, come down to the baseline. Upswing, make a U. Upswing over to 2, make a C. Upswing, hook back, make the K, curving at the top there. And upswing, cross your T. Okay, make the next one. You do the talking. There. Make another one. Pick up your circling pencil and circle the one you think is your best. Our next word is school. And we'll just skip 1 line and write school. S-C-H-O-O-L. Write it again. Pick up your pencil. And we're going to, and by the way, my book looks straight to you all because of the way my camera is positioned, but actually my book is turned like this, and my hands, my arm, and my hand lay parallel. And that makes it easy to write, but it doesn't look that way on your screen because my camera is positioned so that even though it looks straight across to you, it's actually slanted for me. And you know, I should have told you that a long time ago. That might have helped you with some of the writing. Okay, so again, my writing arm, it is slanted so that my writing arm and the edges of my paper are parallel. See? And then that helps me write better so I can see my writing and it doesn't stress my hand as much. All right, so let's do school. Short upswing, shortcut. Upswing, curve to 2, make a C. Upswing tall, hook it back, make our H. Upswing over to 2, make an O. Dip 2, make an O, dip and upswing to make the L. Now do it by yourself. You do the talking. And then write it one more time without any help behind it. Take your circling pencil, look at them, and circle the one you think is your best. Make that show up a little bit better. Okay, skip 1 line, and we're going to write the word sprawl. Sprawl means to kind of, if I say you just sprawl on the rug there, that means you just kind of get down without any you know, you lay on the rug and you just kind of spread out on it. Or maybe I tell you, join the circle and don't sprawl all over the place because you're taking up too much room. Oh, there I am. I'm talking and look at my W. Okay, write sprawl again. S-P-R-A-W-L. Sprawl. Okay, pick up your writing pencil and and talk with me. Short upswing, shortcut our S. Upswing, make a P. Upswing, shortcut R. Down to the baseline, upswing, curve to 2. Make an A. Upswing, make a W, curve it, dip, and upswing, hook back to make your L. Okay, make the next one. You talk it softly. Talk your thinking. And then now write it again. And I really worked on that one to get it smaller. My last sprawl. Circle your best one. Take your orange pencil, and we're going to skip 2 lines. And on the next line, we're going to write the word squeeze. I will squeeze the lemon to make some lemonade. Skip 2 lines and write squeeze. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E. Write it again. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E. Squeeze. Pick up your pencil and talk with me. Upswing short. Shortcut the S. Upswing curve to 2. Make a Q. Pinch it in. Upswing to the U. Upswing, make an E. Upswing, make an E. Upswing, curve. Back loop for Z. Upswing, E. Okay, stop right there and let's look for a minute. You notice when I printed, I had my E's quite a ways apart. So I have a lot of space there and a lot of space there. This is the spacing that we want to work for. Okay, let's make our next one, and you do the talking. Okay, again, my spacing's a little wide as I got later in my word. So that's what I'm going to be working on. I've got it's pretty short, and it's on my baseline, so I'm going to work to get my spacing together a little better. Write your next one. Much better. I'm going to circle it. Okay, skip 2 lines, and we're going to write the word scribble. Scribble. We're doing a lot of S words today, going into Q and C and P, but that we need to practice because there are lots of S words in English. So skip 2 lines and write scribble. S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E. That double B is going to be fun. S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E. Okay, talk it with me and let's do the first one. Upswing, shortcut S. Upswing, curve to 2, make a C. Upswing, shortcut R. Down, upswing to the I, make it. Upswing, hook back and make a B. Dip. Upswing, make a B. Dip. Upswing, make the L, and then the short upswing to the E. Dot your I. All right, make the next one. Be sure you dot your I and make one all by yourself. Take your pencil and circle the one you think is your best one. That's a hard choice. I think this one's my best. Okay, so we have space for you to practice things that you need to. Remember, if you had trouble with like the B, and then the L, you could just practice write 2 B's and an L and just practice making those. So any place that you had some trouble, just practice it on its own. Like if you had trouble with AWL, practice it all by itself and then put it back in the word. Okay, so that completes Lesson 20 in our cursive handwriting course.